Okay, a very quick one. We have a 2003 Range Rover. You may remember it from about a month ago. It came in here with it couldn't reverse. It had transmission issues which we resolved, and it has been brought back with 3 issues, but we've been told to deal with mainly 2. You can see the engine is actually running, as you can see. I can rev it. You see that, but you can see the alternator is not. The alternator light is on, so it's not charging. We've just done electrical test. Derek did that to prove that the alternator is not charging. And the other issue is it has a hard start. It had that hard start before, but the customer didn't mind about it. But I think he is planning to sell this vehicle, so he wants that resolved as well. And there are traction control issues, as you can see from the lights, the ABS light and this one. You can ignore the airbag light. That will be resolved. I'm sure it has a code for battery disconnection or battery low. It's the vehicle has been brought here because the alternator wasn't working, so the batteries were changed, so that's why that light is on. But the ABS lamp, the traction control issues, we are not dealing with them right now, but they are an issue. So what I did was to check the hard start, run the engine, and then use the oscilloscope to check out the because we suspected either the cam or the crankshaft position sensor to be having issues and leading to the hard start. And I'm going to go around to the front and show you exactly what. Right, this is the oscilloscope now. We are pinned onto. This is the ground wire for the camshaft position sensor, and this should be the 5-volt reference, which shows up here. I'll show that to you. I'll keep you at the oscilloscope now so that you can see when I've just disconnected the pin from the 5-volt reference wire for the camshaft position sensor. And also what I'm going to do is, for you to see this better, I'm going to increase the time base to say about a second so that you can catch it. And I'm going to connect to the 5-volt reference now, and you can see the 5-volt reference is there. That's where I am at now, and now I'm moving to the signal wire for the camshaft position sensor. I'm now pinned to the camshaft position sensor wire, and as you can see, we have signals of some sort. But I don't like the speed at which they are coming. I'm going to decrease the time base here. Oh, now you can clearly see we have signals from the crankshaft position sensor. The crankshaft position sensor is so far down. Now this confirms that the camshaft position sensor is working, and I'm going to move now to the wire for the crankshaft position sensor signal. And because I can't go to the crankshaft position sensor because it's so far down into the vehicle, I'm back probing the crankshaft position sensor signal wire at the computer here. That's my connection, and you can see we have a signal for that. I'm going to improve it a bit by narrowing the time base. my oscilloscope, the pathway is going flat. I'm going to charge it again and show you. We're trying to crank it again. You can hear the hard start. So I'm moving my signal wire back to the crankshaft position sensor signal line there. Kale, piga twende. Derek, nkubiramu kuba you can see we have signals on the crankshaft position sensor. I want to, okay, that will do. I want to do it again. Dam, hey, Kuba. I don't know if you can see it. Kimara. So clear we have the signals.